Hello, everyone. My name is Lori Bradner, and I'm with the Florida Aviation Network. And we are here celebrating Girls in Aviation Day at the Kennedy Space Center. And I have the absolute honor to be with someone that I want to grow up to be. Kaela, thank you for joining me.
Thank you.
And tell me a little bit about yourself.
I'm a sophomore in college at University of Central Florida.
Okay, that's Go Knights. Go Knights.
Go Knights, charge on, majoring in aerospace engineering.
Now, tell me a little bit. How did you get involved with today?
I actually attended GIAD myself as an attendee in 2019, and that I got to see all things aviation and aerospace, so that really sparked my interest. And then once I graduated high school, I joined this local chapter, and it's been amazing since on.
Now, what is your interest in aviation? Where are you interested in flying, or are you more interested in the engineering and the aerospace engineering? And are you more interested in aviation, or I've got to ask, rocketry?
Definitely more the engineering side. I would like to fly someday, maybe be a flight test engineer. Still deciding whether rockets or airplanes both really interest me. I'm on a rocket team at UCF called Knights Experimental Rocketry. So we are building rockets. But upcoming, I'll have an internship working on jet engines, so I'll get to have a taste of both to decide what I like.
And you know what I would say? I would do a shout out to Elon Musk. This is someone you need to recruit right here because we're on the grounds of SpaceX. And we were talking before, and your rocket team went out to California, and you won. What did you win? Tell me about that.
Well, we didn't necessarily win per se because it's not that, but it's dollar per foot, Friends of Amateur Rocketry competition. So for each height and apogee we reach, we gain $1 towards our club. So my team went 4,844 feet, and we gained that $1 for our club. But what's really important is that we are the first college from Florida to launch a liquid bipropellant rocket. So we're first in the state, first in the college Florida system. It's a really great milestone, and first for UCF as well.
That is awesome. Well, Kaela, I want to say thank you for your willingness to talk to me today. Thank you for being here. You inspire me. I can't imagine what these young girls, I know they want to grow up and be you. And we're going to say, go Knights, charge on. My name is Lori Bradner with the Florida Aviation Network. We're here at Girls in Aviation Day at Kennedy Space Center. And I promise we're going to see you next year.
Yeah, that's
All
right.
Next year.